Dear students, so in this video we are going to see the ICAI's announcements released on 15th June 2020, which is called opting out. What is opting out? That means if you wish, you don't want to write this examination which is going to get conducted in July-August 2020, you can opt out. So it's not like they are going to cancel the examination. ICAI is going to have the examination, but if the students want to opt out, they can opt out. So I will read these announcements. Just see. In the first paragraph they are saying we received mixed commencement of both conducting the examination and cancelling the examination. In second paragraph they are telling that students are having the fear because that rooms of the schools or colleges may not be properly sanitized, and what will happen to the fees which is already paid if I am going to do opting out. All those things they are talking. So basically they are telling that students are in panic. So it is decided to come out with a opt out option. That is the third paragraph. And the fourth paragraph, so you can submit an online application. It's like a declaration that you are going to opt out from this July-August examination. So what you have to do, that procedure is later. So remaining students, whoever is going to appear, you fixed your mind that I will write this examination whatever it may, kind of. So you can continue to write this examination. So you can see here, remaining students will choose, okay, who choose that not to opt out, you will be writing July examination. ICAI told even as one student is ready, I will conduct the examination. This is the ICAI stand. So that is actually very good, because there are many number of students, at least 30 to 40% of the students are ready to write this examination come what may. Okay, so they are aiming for ranks, they are aiming for both groups, they are aiming, this like, no, this is their life kind of, they are preparing, there is no second thought about them. Okay, so other students you can opt out. So students seeking change of examination center can also do that. Okay, like you can change the examination center, that is separate one. So 17th June onwards to 20th June you can even change the examination center. So those students who are not going to opt out, you can change your examination center. So opt out procedures, that means I am not going to write this examination, I have borders issues, like no, there are people where they have to cross borders, okay, to go to another cities to write the examination. So those people and all, they may opt out, because if you cross the border you have to be in quarantine for 14 days etc. It's very difficult and it's costly process also. So if you are going to opt out, then submission of the declaration starts from 17th June. Okay, there is icaexam.ica.org, you can go and opt out, and whatever the amount you paid, that will be carried forward, whatever the exemption you have, that will be carried forward. Now the only problem is for ICAI has not, in this announcement they have not clarified that, because the old syllabus, the old syllabus for IPCC or that is not clear whether they are going to extend, because it's going to end in this May 20, whether they will extend it to November 20. Okay, but according to me they should extend, because if opt out is getting announced and many old syllabus students are going for opt out, so they have to extend this old syllabus for one more attempt also. So on submission of this declaration it is final, they cannot change, please understand this. So you decide whether you are going to opt out or not. If you are so confident of this examination, then please write. But ICAI also told they are reviewing this COVID situation. Okay, you can see that last before one paragraph, the situation of pandemic will be reviewed, COVID cases, MHA guidelines, central government directions in the first week of July 2020, because anyway the examination is going to happen only in the last week of July. So they are reviewing the situation. So as of now ICAI is going to conduct the examination, it's not going to cancel the examination. This is what ICAI stand. So this is the announcements. Okay, thank you so much.